Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, I'm hoping today's question might stir something in you, as it certainly did for me. Are you a parent or are you a professional? And can you do both? Because sometimes when you're raising a child with additional needs, it feels like you have to be everything. A therapist, teacher, caseworker, a speech and language coach, an advocate, as well as an emotional support. But where does that leave you as a parent or a carer? The person who gets to love, nurture, and just be with their child. Let's talk about that today. I remember a point in my own journey. My son's autistic and non-speaking, and if you'd like to hear more about my story, then you can have a look on my first YouTube video. I looked around and realised that I was in full-time fix-it mode. I wasn't playing with him, I wasn't resting, I wasn't watching him be who he was. Instead, I was busy researching, booking appointments, filling in paperwork, writing drafts for his educational health and care plan requests, emailing nurseries and schools, and going to yet another parent training. And I started to feel less like a mum and more like a project manager for my child. And that realization hit me hard. I was absolutely exhausted. But more than that, I felt robbed of the part of parenting that's supposed to be about connection. So let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt just like mum, dad, aunt, uncle, grandparent, not a warrior, an expert, just you loving your child in a calm environment? Where are you holding things that maybe aren't yours to carry? Are you trying to become a professional in everything because no one else is stepping in? And here's the big one. Are you sometimes too busy fixing that we forget to be who our child already is? I know it's not always black and white. We do need to advocate at times. We also need to fight on occasion. Here's what I'm learning and what I now teach in my Empowered Parent Pathway program. Sometimes the most powerful thing that we can do is to step back and say, I'm here to love, to connect, and to guide my child. And some of this, the clinical stuff, the expert things, that's not mine to hold. It's actually okay to let the professionals be professionals. And it's okay to protect your role as a parent, the one that nurtures, calms, and sees your whole child. So now I want to hear from you. Have you felt like you've had to become a professional just to support your child? What have you done to reclaim the joy of simply being a parent? And drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. This is a space for honesty and for finding a new way forward. Now, if this resonates with you, please hit the like and subscribe button and maybe share it with another SEND parent who might need to hear this. You're doing better than you think, and you're not alone. You are allowed just to be a parent, because that is everything. I'll see you in the next video.